To create your chalk print, you need to fill a wide, shallow pan with water. You need some sidewalk chalk and a piece of paper. To scrape your chalk on top of the water, all you need is a plastic knife or a chopstick or a popsicle stick. Anything that will scrape that chalk onto the water. And then you scrape some more, and scrape a little more. Then once you've got enough chalk, you can take your paper and lay it right on top. Once the edges of the paper start to curl, you can carefully pull it up off the water and lay it somewhere flat to dry. Choose a color for your background that complements your chalk print. Take a marker and draw a shape on your chalk print that comes out of one side of the paper. Then you'll carefully cut that shape out, making sure to keep the inside shape and the outside shape both in one piece. Then flip it over, take your glue stick, load up the back of the paper with some glue. Line it up to one edge of your paper. And press it down. Then take your cutout shape and flip it around so that it's mirrored from where you originally cut it out. And you're all done.